Today, you're going to learn how to estimate your tax refund using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll show you the exact prompts you can copy and paste so you can quickly understand whether you'll receive a refund or owe money. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, employees, freelancers, parents, and anyone filing taxes for the first time. Before you begin, gather basic information such as your income, tax withheld, deductions, credits, and any self-employment earnings. If you're unsure what details you need, the first prompt will guide you. Start with this simple prompt. Create a beginner-friendly checklist of what I need to estimate my tax refund for the UK or US. This gives you a clear overview of everything required before calculating. Next, personalize your estimate with this prompt. Help me estimate my tax refund. Ask me questions about my income, deductions and tax withheld, then show me a simple breakdown of whether I'll get a refund or owe tax. After answering, you'll receive an easy-to-read breakdown showing how your refund is calculated. If you want clarity around deductions and credits, use this. Explain which deductions or tax credits might increase my refund and give me simple examples. This helps you understand why your refund changes based on your answers. For further clarification, use this prompt. Make the explanation even simpler by summarizing why I'm getting a refund or why I owe tax. Before finalizing anything, double check with this accuracy prompt. List the common mistakes people make when estimating their tax refund so I can avoid them. Finally, ask for a routine recommendation. Create a simple monthly habit to help me track income and deductions so my refund estimate is more accurate next year. And that's it. Estimating your refund becomes much easier when you follow a clear process and keep your records organized. Use these prompts, take your time, and always confirm important tax details with HMRC or the IRS if you're unsure. You only need to use ChatGPT at the beginning and end of your process. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.